Getting an account warning on TikTok? This video is for you. The warning appears when TikTok thinks you've violated community guidelines. To fix it, you'll need to identify the post, video, or comment causing the issue and delete it from your account. Be sure to take a screenshot or screen recording while deleting, as it could help you later. So once you have done that, follow these steps. Open your TikTok app, tap on your profile in the bottom right. Now tap on the three-line icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and tap on Report a Problem. Now tap on Account and Profile, and select Profile Page. In here, scroll down, and select Other. So on the bottom of this page, you will see a question saying, "Is your problem resolved?" Select No for this, and tap on Need More Help. So in this panel, describe your problem, like say something about the warning and why you think it was wrong, and how you did not intend to violate any community guidelines and it will not happen again, and so on. After you're done, you can tap the image or video icon to add a screenshot, or screen recording of you deleting the video or comment. This is not compulsory, but this attachment can really help your image. So once you're done, simply hit Submit. After this, TikTok will contact you and help you resolve the problem. So folks, those are the steps you can take if you encounter the account warning message in your TikTok app for Android. I really hope this video has been helpful to you in resolving the issue. If you want more tips and tricks like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.